Hey, welcome back to ReloadWrap.com. We want to thank you for stopping by. This video is going to talk about holster maintenance issues and a shout out to my customers and maybe a discussion about some future things. Again, ReloadWrap is made in the USA. We are incredibly proud of that. I can't tell you how much I'm proud when I go out and see all this foreign Chinese made stuff, and then I know that the materials I sought out is 100% made in America, so that's great. Again, if you're interested in holsters, come to ReloadWrap.com and let's get into it. So thank you very much. Thank you, customers. ReloadWrap has had continuing sales growth each month since my launch in March of 2019. My sales are going up, and that's because of you guys. You guys are spending your hard-earned money with me. You're entrusting me with it, and I want you to know that I think customers are number one. It's my goal to give you a good quality product, good that's made with great components, and provide you with great customer service and take care of all your needs. Again, shipping. I've had a lot of comments about people who they really appreciate the speediness of the shipping and how quick it gets there. I don't know if you know it or not, but I provide free shipping because as a customer, I hate to pay for shipping, and not only that, I hate to wait. You know, who has patience for that? So I said, hey, there's two things if I ever have a company, which by the way I do. I'm going to provide shipping to you, the customer. I'm going to pay for it, standard shipping, and I'm going to do it quick. So when you come to ReloadWrap and you accept our standard free shipping, don't think that I'm going to take my time. I get that stuff out as quickly as possible to you because I wanted to get it in your hands ASAP. And secondly, I've received a lot of comments and feedback, and I greatly appreciate it. So thank you for telling me about how much you've experienced and had luck with my product and all of its uses, and you can keep sending those to me. Lastly, as far as customers go, each of you, I write a note to each of you on the packing slip, and I've been including a special customer appreciation discount code. That discount code is reserved only for customers who have entrusted me with their money and came and purchased a ReloadWrap holster. And again, I hope that's just for you to use for any future purchases. If there's anything I can do for you, I greatly appreciate it. For any customers, if you've enjoyed my holster and I've worked good for you, I'd just like to solicit that you come to ReloadWrap and that you leave a comment on my comment page. Again, I greatly appreciate that and provide me with any feedback. Okay, let's get into maintenance. So ReloadWrap, here's my Glock 43 setup. ReloadWrap is a hook and loop based system, and it's fabric, soft, and so as a result, when it's in the pocket, it's going to collect lint. So here's some Harbor Freight hook and loop stuff I would never use, by the way. I only use the best American-made products for you guys. But here you see, I mean, everybody knows that the hook side is just a big trap of lint, and I just kind of want to show you that. And so, believe it or not, here is my 10-year-old my holster that I carried for 10 years, ever since late 2008, maybe 2009. And this ran my Glock 17 mag, and you can see, got some hair, got some lint, stuff like that. But this was 100% functional up until all these design changes when I started putting out this new rendition to everybody. So there is that one. Here is one of my original ones that I provided to a family member. He knows who he is. And up until I collected this, probably back in April, he was wearing this for a solid 9 years or whatever, almost every day. Anytime he carried concealed, he used this holster. Now this is back when I just used imported cheap metal clips. You can see how this thing's been wore out. You can see the heavy soiling and stuff on the Velcro. We'll get in here further and you can see where it's just been pretty much abused with stuff. He uses this on a regular basis. The point is, watch for lint, how it collects debris. You just need to clean this out occasionally, use some kind of comb to get that out. That will interfere with the hook and loop interfaces if that's too soiled up to not work, okay? And since I do get my clips now in America, you won't have issues like this. The gauge steel I have is much thicker, much stronger, and all that stuff. So I just wanted to show you that. As far as the new stuff goes, there's going to be a common wear pattern that you may or may not see. and that wear pattern is up here at the top. See that? You might even be able to see that there. And that's just from the design of the holster moving back, forth, back, forth, back, forth in your pocket. You know, this moves around in your pocket, and it's meant to do that. What's cool about that is that's not going to interfere with anything. But this is a key area, this little focal point here, because this is where it interfaces with your pocket. You know, right there. It interfaces with your pocket right in this area. So if you ever got some really thin, flimsy shorts, swim shorts, whatever the case is, and you want to increase the potential grab pressure, all you got to do is take a supplied cap. Any of the caps, you'll stick it in here up to the back side after you fitted your holster. Again, this is set up for a Glock 43X. You'll set this cap in the back, and what that will do is increase the fabric depth here where the clip interfaces, and increases the grabbing pressure of that. Okay, so that's a quick little tip. So add a cap here. If you're not using the cap, add it back here. It exponentially increases that. I don't use it. I just have that on for demonstration purposes. And that would only be if you inadvertently tried to really wear this clip out, or you bent it out of shape, or whatever the case is. And don't forget, I got a warranty on all my stuff, lifetime. If you got an issue one of these, let me know and I'm going to fix that for you. So that'll conclude this thing. Again, I just wanted to shout out to my customers how great you are. Thank you so much. I'm very proud of that and very happy to be interacting with you. I wanted to talk about some of the minor maintenance issues, and I'm going to do another video real quick talking about some positional things. So again, if you want a holster, come by to ReloadWrap.com. We always ship free, USA standard, and again, we're made in the USA. Proud of that. Have a good day.